What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and I gotta go to this spot because this is my favorite place. At Armory Valentine, and this guy is always doing sweet stuff. Like, look at this. Look at that. So you mean to tell me that you don't have to buy a Sky just because it's a pink gun? You can come here and just get whatever custom you want? How about that? How long have you been doing this, bro?
I've been here for coming up on 5 years now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I can dig that.
Started out as a customer, actually. I said I can do that. So now I do it.
That's sweet. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Doing this, but being better at it.
Better than this?
Yeah, you always got to get better in anything you do.
That's crazy, y'all. Look at the detail. Like, this is not like some random vinyl. This isn't gun skins where you got to pull out a hot gun and melt it to your polymer. This isn't that. That's sick, bro. And then check the stippling job, because he did that as well. Is there anything you don't do?
Not really. I'm trying to think of something I don't do.
I'm just saying, because you do some pretty sick stuff in here.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so I was gonna pretend like I just walked back in, but I'm not going to. Instead, I'm just gonna show you my P320. Look at that. Look at this guy. That is beautiful. I'm so glad. I was gonna get this cut for an optic, but I'm so glad I didn't. This looks sweet. So, should you want to do something sweet and badass to your gun, yeah, I'll let them sit next to each other, even though that's not mine. Come see this guy. That's sweet, bro. What was the hardest part about doing this?
Getting that burnt bronze to come out.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of fleck in it, so sometimes it'll lay down dry. So you just gotta be careful with that. 4 colors is real tricky to get down without having some really big ledges and everything. Because, you know, you gotta think you're painting that gun 4 times. So
Right.
you got 4 times the thickness on your paint.
Yeah, that's sweet. Alright, guys. Y'all know what's next. Even though tomorrow's Thanksgiving, I say we go to the gun range and see how it runs. Sweet, bro. As always, bro. Thank you.
Thanks.